Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 best text messages to make your husband or your man honey. This video is mainly for women. You know, I love all women, just like as I love all men. And I want the best for every one of us. So the reason why I am making this video is to make a perfect marriage for each and every one of us. The reason why I am making this video is to make each and every one of us to have a perfect relationship. So anywhere you are, please stick to the very end of this video and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If I may forget, please, my name is Kenneth. I am an African man. I love helping people, and that is why I am making this video. So let's begin. So for you to make your woman happy, or for you to make your husband or your man happy, there are 5 best text messages that I am going to share with you now. Anywhere your man is, just send this text message to him. You will see him. He will be thinking about you, and he will run as fast as possible to come and meet you anywhere he is. These 5 text messages are powerful. Yes, they are powerful. So I recommend women, please stick to the very end of this video so that you will get all of them. And once you get all of them, practice it. Send it to your husband or to your man. I want every relationship to end in marriage, and I want all couples, all marriage, to be in the best marriage and be happy with their marriage. That is why I am making this video. So please, let's kick off. Number 1 text message that you can send to your husband. Maybe he traveled or he went to work. One of the best message you will send to him, it will say something like, I'm home all alone. Yes, I am home all alone. Once maybe he will be in his working place working, and his phone just do gram or message tone, and he bring out the phone and check the message. It is a message. Open the message. He saw or he see this message. I'm home all alone. Think about it. How he will feel. This message is powerful. I say it is powerful. So as a woman, practice it. As a man too, practice it. It is effective. Yes, it is very, very effective. I know what I am telling you. I am Kenneth Woods. I know what I am telling you. This message is right from me. I did not copy it from anywhere or from anybody. I just woke up. This message came into my brain. So I said, let me just share it with my good people around the world for them to make a peaceful home. Yes. So number 2 is, it's cold. I'm missing you. Just don't call. Send this message. Don't call. It's cold. I am missing you. Once he gets that message, think about how he will feel, or think about how she will feel. Yes. All these messages that I'm going to give you are very effective. They are powerful. Yes, they are very powerful. Just practice it. Come to this video and comment. You will see that all my messages, all these messages that I am sharing with you are very powerful. So number 3 is, be coming home. I'm waiting for you. Yes, be coming home. I am waiting for you. Don't worry. It will flash on the screen. Send it as text messages. Don't call. Just send it one by one, like every day. You send one that I said here. You will see how love will be developing between you and your husband, between you and your wife. Yes, maybe he's trying to prove stubborn, or he's trying to turn you off. Just send these messages to him. You will see everything will change for good. So number 4 is, yes, you are all I need now. Just send this text message. You are all I need now. Hi. Maybe he is in his working place, working. All of a sudden, his phone ring. He bring it out. It was a text message, and open it. It was you. And he sees this message. Think about how he's going to feel, or think about how she is going to feel. I believe and I bet you all these text messages are very powerful. Just try them. You will see that they are very, very effective, and they will work for you. They work for me and they will work for you. That is why I want to share it, for you people to have the best and perfect relationship and marriage. Yes. So send it to him, and you will see that he will change for good. The more you are sending all these text messages, the more the love is igniting, the more the love is excruciating, increasing. Yes, try it, and you will see that what I am telling you is perfect. Though nobody's perfect, yes, but at least it will go a long way for you. So the last is, forever you are mine. Forever you are mine. So the more you say forever you are mine, do you know what it means? It means that you love him so much. It means that you cherished him, or you cherished her. You are mine. Forever you are mine. Do you know what it means? It means that you have given him or her your whole self. Why won't he or she love you? It is a must. So practice all these 5 messages. Come to this video, comment below. Just tell me how it works for you. Even if it did not work as you expect, just come here and comment. I will give you another strategies. I will give you another tools, tips and tricks to get him. Yes, I promise. I say that I am making this video for a perfect relationship for you people, or for you people who have get married to be happy with their spouse, husband. Yes, that's the reason why I am sharing this knowledge to you people. So please, this video is going to end here for today. In my next video, I will tell you what I will be giving you the next video. That is how I'll be doing it. Or just turn on the notification bell, press the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question or any comment it or write it down in the comment section below. Share this video, share it to friends and family. So please, if you have anything for me to help you to solve, or for me to give you tips and tricks, don't hesitate to write it in the comment section below. I will always be available to reply your messages. I will always be available to make good videos as you requested, or as you request. So I am here for all of you. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it, like it. Thank you. See you in my next video.